Math friends, I'm back. You're back. Welcome back. Now, yesterday and the day before, we have talked about making tens and ones using our Unifix cubes or linking cubes, whatever you want to call them. And then we talked about putting them in a place value chart with tens and ones. And today we, hold on. Sorry, I wasn't ready. I thought I was ready. I wasn't ready. Okay, but today we're going to do lesson 3, and we're going to talk about how we can interpret 2-digit numbers as either tens and some ones or all ones. And that may sound confusing because of the word interpret, but it just means that we can tell you a 2-digit number as in some ones or all ones. Okay, real simple. We got this. We know how to do this because we're smart. So you ready? You ready, Freddie? Let's get started. So, guys, there's no fluency today. That's it. Look. Boom. Right there. Application problem. So we're warming up our brains today by getting our detective work on. So, detectives, get your whiteboard or something to write on because you need to be doing this with me. Okay, not just watching me do it, but you need to do it too. So have your whiteboard or something to work right on, and let's read through our problem first, find out what we need to do, and then we'll go back and look for clues. Okay, so here we go. Sue is writing the number 34 on a place value chart. She cannot remember if she has 4 tens and 3 ones or 3 tens and 4 ones. Use a place value chart to show how many tens and ones are in 34. Use a drawing and words to explain this to Sue. Okay, so here's what we have to do. That's a lot. Oops, sorry. Let's try that again. We have to use a place value chart. We've got to show how many tens and ones are in 34, and then we have to draw and use words to explain this to Sue, okay? Good thing for us, we know how to do that because we did it in our last lesson when we used 5 row columns or 5 group columns, and we used a place value chart. We know how to do this, okay? So we need to figure out the number 34. So I'm going to share my board. Ta-da! I'm going to make a place value chart because remember, we don't have one. So we're going to make one. So I'm going to make the T. Remember my T? Looks like that. And we're going to put tens and ones. Okay, now I'm going to erase that. Our number was number 34. We know that 34 is made up of some tens and some ones. Oh, I'm out of room. I made it too big. Let me make it a little smaller. So we had 34 is the same as some tens and some ones. Now, how many tens are in 34? We can look right here and say there are 3 tens. So let's go ahead and draw out 1, 2, 3 tens. You can make your dots. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There's 3. Now 34, we'll put a 3 right here. There's 3 tens. I'm all in my tens. How many ones did we have in 34? We had 4. So we need to make 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Okay, so here's our place value chart. We drew out 30 and 4. We have 3 tens and 4 ones. 3 tens, 4 ones. 34 is the same as tens and 4 ones. Okay, so we have used our place value chart, 34. We showed 3 tens. 3 tens is 30. 4 ones. 3 tens, 4 ones. You can even say 30 plus 4 equals 34. Okay, so let's see. Did we solve what it was asking us to do? Did we, excuse me. Boom. Let me share back again. Sorry, I clicked the wrong button. There we go. Did we use a place value chart to show how many tens and ones are in 34? Yes. Did we use a drawing and words to explain it? Yes, because we showed that there were 3 tens and 4 ones. We drew out 3 tens and 4 ones. So you can see that there are 3 tens and 4 ones in 34. Okay, so as long as your board looks like my board, 3 tens, 4 ones, drawing out 30 and 4, 30 tens, 4 ones equal 34. Then our case is dismissed. Okay, so let's pause for a moment, get ourselves ready. You definitely need your board today, but guess what, friends? You don't need anything else. You just need your whiteboard or something to write on and your marker or something to write with, okay? So get that nice and clean, be ready for us, and give me a second to get our video ready. All right, friends, I'm ready to go. I've got my whiteboard ready off to the side here, got an eraser and I got my marker. You need something you need to write on or with, and let's get started.
Welcome to class, my marvelous mathematician. It's Miss Kaylin here,
Hi, Miss
ready
Kaylin.
to guide you through another lesson. Today, we will be looking at numbers as tens and some ones, or all ones. I'm so excited for today's lesson because I get to introduce you to some of my friends. For today's lesson, all you will need is your whiteboard and marker. If you forgot it, go ahead and pause the video now so you can go grab it.
You should already have it.
Ooh, welcome to today's lesson. I'm so excited to get started. You won't need your whiteboard just yet, so go ahead and put it to the side. I'll let you know. Now, show me your magic counting sticks. Wriggle them in the air. Now, mathematicians, think back to what Miss Duncan taught you. I want you to show me 1 10. Now, show me 10 ones. Show me 1 10. Show me 10 ones. Now show me 34.
I can't do that.
Wait, we don't have 34 fingers. I can't show 34 on my hands by myself. Let me use my magic wand to bring some of my friends in. Hi, friends. Me and my students need help showing 34, but we need more fingers. Let's show 34 on our fingers together. Ready? Show. Mathematicians, how many tens and ones make up 34?
I see 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, and 4 ones.
I see 3 tens and 4 extra ones. Mathematicians, we used tens and ones to make 34. But what if we only used ones? How many ones would we need to make up 34? Okay, friends, let's show only ones.
Okay, so you could count.
Mathematicians, how many ones are in 34?
Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So we would need 34 ones.
34 is made up of 34 ones. So can we say 3 tens, 4 ones is the same as 34 ones?
Yes, we can.
Is this correct or incorrect?
That is correct.
Press the button now that you think is true. 3 tens and 4 ones is the same as 34 ones. Let's count to check. How should we count? We could count the fingers by ones. Let's count them by tens. I think that'll be so much faster. Great idea. Let's count by grouping the tens, then the ones. You can start. 10 ones, 20 ones, 30 ones, 34 ones. This is so fun. Let's do another one. Friends, show me 27. How many tens and ones are in the number 27?
How many tens do you see?
Point to the set of tens and ones below that you think is correct. I'll give you a hint. There's more than one correct answer.
Okay, so I'm gonna pause it for a second. So let's look at our picture. How many tens and how many ones are in 27? So I see 1 10, 2 tens right here, and then I see 7 ones. So let's look for ones that say 2 tens and 7 ones. 7 ones, 2 tens. Does it matter that it's backwards? It still tells me I have 2 tens and 7 ones. Okay, how about 7 tens and 2 ones? Because we don't have 7 tens, we just have 2 tens. So that one's not right. Here's 2 tens, 7 ones. Is that right? Well, we have 2 tens. Did we have 7 ones? Yes. So we could say that this top one here and this bottom one here are correct.
"27 has 2 tens and 7 ones. Ooh, and tricky, Miss Kaylin. I wrote it 2 different ways. Mathematician, even if I write the ones first, I still see this number has 2 tens, 7 ones. I had so much fun with my friends today. Bye. Let's continue our lesson. Now you need your whiteboard.
Okay,
Go ahead
your
and grab
whiteboard.
your whiteboard, bring it in front. Write the number 24 at the top of your whiteboard, just like I did here.
Okay, I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna share my screen. Okay, so let's write the number 24 at the top of our whiteboard. Okay. Let's see. Oops, wrong thing.
Now say this answer out loud. 24 is made up of how many tens and how many ones?
24 is made up of 2 tens and 4 ones.
If you said 2 tens, 4 ones, yes, you're correct. 24 is made of 2 tens and 4 ones. Mathematician, how many ones are in 2 tens?
20.
There are 20 ones in 2 tens. I want you to circle your 24 just like I did here and draw a line to show those 20 ones. Go ahead and draw with me.
Okay, you should be
Now,
drawing
mathematician,
like this.
how many more ones are in the number 24?
How many ones are in 24?
We have
We
20
said
ones. And
4 more
Right.
ones.
4 extra ones. Let's draw another line to show 4 as the other part of 24.
So 2 tens is the
Wait.
same as
This looks familiar.
20
We drew a
ones.
number bond. Our number bond shows us that 20
4 ones.
and 4 are 2 parts that make up 24. Now, mathematicians, how many ones is that? How many ones is the same as 2 tens, 4 ones?
24.
Yes, 24 ones. Let's do another one. Go ahead and erase your board and I'll put a new number out.
Okay, I'm gonna pause.
Okay, mathematician,
Oop,
write this number at the top of your board.
Okay, 26 is our new number. So go ahead and erase your boards. Write 26 at the top. Okay. Now, let's keep going.
What number is this?
26.
It's the number 26. How many tens and how many ones are in 26?
We have, I'm gonna actually, hold on guys. Okay, sorry friends. All right, so how many tens and how many ones in 26? We know that we have 2 tens and 6 ones. Okay, so let's keep with Miss Kaylin. Uh-oh. Sorry, friends. I didn't mean to do that. There we go.
Did you say 2 tens and 6 ones?
We did.
You did? You were right. 26 is made of 2 tens, 6 ones. I want you to take the number 26 and circle it. Go ahead and circle it with me. Now, I want you to draw one line that comes off it, just like this. On this part, I want you to show me the value of the 10.
Okay.
Listen to that again. If 26 has 2 tens, what is the value
How
of
much
2 tens?
is 2 tens? The
Go ahead
value
and
is how
write.
much? We know that 2 tens
Mathematician,
is
Did you
20.
write 20? If you did, that's correct. If you didn't write 20, pause the video now and fix your drawing. Let's keep going. On the other side of the number 1, I want you to show me the part that gives me the value of the ones.
Here's the ones.
What
How
the
much is the
value
one?
left over in this number? If we have 20 on one side, how many more ones do we need to get to 26? Go ahead and write it on your board. Yes, we need 6 more ones. Miss Kaylin, you can write yours now. Our number bond shows us 26 is made up of 20 ones and 6 ones. How many ones is that all together?
26 ones.
Did you say 26 ones? If you did, you're correct. Let's go the other way. How many tens and ones is the same as 26?
2 tens and 6 ones is the same
Two
as
tens,
26 ones.
6 ones is the same as 26. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Made it equal, made it equal. I think we have time for one more.
All right, erase your board.
Erase your board, Scholar, and let's sneak one more in. This is fun. Okay, I think we're ready. Now, write the number 36 at the top of your board. This time, instead of doing it together, I'm going to have pause the video to show me the value of the tens and the value of the ones in a number bond. It should look just like the one we did before.
Okay.
If you need an example, look below Miss Q. There's an example.
Okay, so we're going to do this one together. So right now on your board, you should have 36 and you should have 2 lines. So circle it in 2 lines. So let's look at mine. Okay, so what is the value of the tens place? Here's the tens place. Remember, the value is how much is it? Okay, so if we have 3 in our tens place, we know that it's going to be 30 because 3 tens is 10, 20, 30. So we're going to put 30 right here. 3 tens is 30. Whoops. Okay, now we're going to look at our ones place. And in our ones place, we know we have 6 ones. So we're going to put that 6 because the value of the ones place is 6. So if I'm looking at this, I know that I have 3 10s and 6 ones. 3 10s and 6 ones makes 30 and 6. So 30 and 6 equals 36 ones. Let's check back with Miss Kaylin and see if we're right. If you don't have this, pause it now and make sure that gets on your board, okay? Okay, let's see, Miss Kaylin, did we get it right?
Pause the video now to show me the value of the 10 and the value of the ones in the number 36. Welcome back. I know you worked super hard to find the value of the 10s and the value of the ones in 36. Before we get to the answer, mathematician, can you tell me how many 10s and how many ones are in 36?
We knew that there were 3 10s and
There are
6
3
ones.
10s, 6 ones in 36. So if there are 3 10s, mathematician, you did this work all on your own. Can you tell me what is the value of those 3 10s?
The value of 3 10s is 30.
Yes, 3 10s has a value of 30. 30 ones. So 36 is made up of 30 ones and how many more ones?
We said 6.
What did you get? Check your work. Did you get 6?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, 36 is made up of 30 and 6. Or we can say 30 ones and 6 ones. Now, mathematician, let's wrap it all up. How many ones is that?
We know that 30 plus 6 is 36. So it's 36 ones.
If we put 30 and 6 together, we get 36. We did so much great work together. Let's praise our brains for doing such great work. Repeat after me. My brain is great.
My brain is great.
My brain will grow.
My brain will grow.
The harder I work,
The harder I work,
the more I'll know.
the more I'll know.
And that's so true. Follow me to your problem set.
Well, let's go.
It's time for your problem set. Your must-do problems are 1 through 6. Remember, your brain is amazing and you are a hard worker. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, Miss Kaylin. Okay, we're doing 1 through 6 today. So let's take a look. Ooh, something happened here. Hold on, friends. There we go. Okay, let's see. We want to go here, look at our problem set. So let's look at our problem set. We're doing 1 through 6. We're doing all these, okay? So it says, count as many 10s as you can. Complete each statement. Say the numbers in the sentence. So let's look at number 1. Remember, anytime it's in a group, anytime you see it in a group like this, there are how many in there? There's 10, okay? Make sure you remember that. There's 10 in there. So let's look at number 1. How many groups of flowers do we have right here? We have 1 group of 10. So we have 1 10. How many are outside the vase by themselves? 2. So we're gonna write maybe 2. So we know that 1 10 and 2 1s is the same as how many 1s? 10, 11, 12. 12 1s. Okay, same thing here. How many 10s? How many 1s? How many 1s all together? Okay, so let's look at, let's do number 5. How many 10s do I have? I have 4 10s. How many 1s do I have? I don't have any 1s, do I? So I need to click 0. So if I have 4 10s and 0 1s, how many 1s do I have in all? 10, 20, 30, 40. I have 40. Okay, be careful on that one. All right, guys, make sure you're counting all the groups of 10, put it in 10s, and then how many 1s, And then that many is the same as how many ones in all, okay? So make sure you're doing 1 through 6. Once you get 1 through 6 done, go do your exit ticket. Once you get your exit ticket done, you can turn it into me. If you have any questions, you can email me, or you can make me a comment on the assignment, however you need to reach me. Okay, and I'll try to help you out as best I can. All right, friends, you got this. I know you can do it. 10s and 1s is the same as some 1s. Okay, all right, friends, I'll see you on lesson 4. Bye, friends.